English for real life. The story is, the dirt path by the river. Not comparing yourself to others. When Arash was 15, he always felt like he was behind everyone else. His classmates were joining sports teams, gaining followers online, or mastering cool skills. But Arash, he wasn't a champion, wasn't popular, and definitely wasn't someone anyone expected much from. One afternoon, while walking by the river near his neighborhood, he noticed an old man sitting on a bench, carving pieces of wood. Next to him was a small box filled with tiny wooden boats. Curious, Arash asked, "Do you make these to sell?" The old man smiled. "No, son. I make them to remind people." Arash frowned. Remind him of what? The man placed one of the boats in the water and said, "This river looks calm, but every boat has its own path. Some move fast, some hit rocks, some get turned around. But as long as a boat is floating, its journey isn't over." Then he turned to Arash and said, "The problem isn't that you're slow. The problem is that you're too busy watching everyone else's boat." That sentence hit Arash's heart hard. For years, he had compared himself to people who were already ahead of him. He had forgotten that every person has a different path. The old man added, "If you take even one small step every day, you'll still be ahead of the person who never moves." That night Arash opened a notebook and wrote, "Day 1, practice for 20 minutes. Those 20 minutes became an hour. That hour became entering a small local competition. A year later, the school asked him to mentor new beginners. One day Arash passed that same riverside path again. The old man wasn't there anymore. But Arash stood in the same spot, looking at the water. He remembered the tiny boat and whispered to himself, "I'm still slow. But I'm still floating." Message: comparison doesn't slow you down, it simply makes you forget your own journey.